Hello and welcome to AEF TV in association with Engerati. This is part of the EnergyNet Student Engagement Initiative sponsored by Greco and Norton Ray's Fulbright. We're now joined by Fortress. Tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay, like I've said, my name is Fortress and I read electronic engineering from the University of Nigeria. I'm currently at the National Power Training Institute where I've trained and still been trained in power systems generation. I've trained in hydro. And because in the 1 year training, first you go around the power system and then you narrow. You've done the generation as regards to hydro, and then we are moving into installations, substation designs and stuff. Then we move to other forms of generation such as gas, because I'm keenly interested in gas.
And what have you learned while you've been here?
There's so much, because I learned first that Africa has become much more conscious of the power problem in Africa and have shown willingness to solve that. I also learned and saw that the rest of the world are ready to partner with Africa to actualize power. That's a very interesting development.
And you touched on it slightly in the first piece, but what would you like to do? Because the power sector is vast, it's huge.
Yes. Yeah. I would like to work in gas to power. Gas to power. I looked at that because in Nigeria, majority of our power stations are gas-fired, and then we have this gas challenge. One is gas infrastructure, the availability of gas to power plants. So therefore, I'm looking that there's a way to solve that gas problem, and I'm believing that as a young upcoming person, we will be able to develop ways to solve the gas to power problem in Nigeria and Africa.
And if you could have one specific job right now, bearing in mind where you are in your career, where would you start?
Where would I?
Where would you start?
I would start in gas to power.
In gas to power.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks. And that's all we've got time for.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.